Please get ready for a dictation from a write-up on powers and functions of UPSC taken from jagranjosh.com. This material can be suitable for those who are preparing for DDC skill and any other skill. 5 seconds. Start. The first Public Service Commission was set up on October 1st, 1926. However, its limited advisory functions failed to satisfy the people's aspirations, and the continued stress on this aspect by the leaders of our freedom movement resulted in the setting up of the Federal Public Service Commission under the Government of India Act 1935. Under this act, for the first time, provision was also made for the formation of Public Service Commission at the provincial level. On 26 January 1950, the Federal Public Service Commission was accorded a constitutional status as an autonomous entity and given the title Union Public Service Commission. Article 315 of the Indian Constitution deals with public service commissions for the Union and for the states. The UPSC is a constitutional body. Article 316 deals with the appointment and terms of office of members. The UPSC comprises of a chairman and other members appointed by the President. One half of the appointed members of the Commission should have held office for at least 10 years, either under the Government of India or under the Government of a state. The President can appoint one of the members of the Commission as an acting chairman if 1. The office of the chairman of the Commission becomes vacant, or 2. The chairman of the Commission is unable to perform the duties of his office due to absence or for any other reason. Such a member functions as an acting chairman till a person appointed as chairman enters on the duties of the office or till the chairman resumes his duties, as the case may be. The chairman and members of the Commission hold office for a term of 6 years or until they attain the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. The members can resign in between the term by addressing their resignation to the President. They can also be removed by the President following the procedure provided in the Constitution. The duties and functions of the UPSC are mentioned below. 1. It conducts examinations for appointments to the services of the Union, which includes all India services, central services, and public services of the Union territories. 2. It assists states in framing and operating schemes of joint recruitment for any services for which candidates possessing special qualifications are required if requested by any two or more states to do so. However, the Parliament can confer additional functions to the UPSC relating to the services of the Union. It can also extend the function of the UPSC by placing the personnel system of any local authority or other body corporate constituted by law or of any public institution under it. The annual report of the UPSC regarding its performance is submitted to the President. The President then gets this report laid before both the houses of the Parliament, together with a memorandum explaining the cases where the advice of the Commission was not accepted and the reason for such non-acceptance. The UPSC is the central recruiting agency. It is responsible to maintain the meritocracy system and bring in the best suitable people for the posts. It conducts the examination and sends its recommendation to the government for the recruitment of the personnel for All India services and central services in Group A and Group B. The role of the UPSC is advisory in nature and not binding on the government. However, the government is answerable to the Parliament in case it rejects the advice of the Commission. Moreover, the UPSC is only concerned with the examination process and not with the classification of services, cadre management, training, service conditions, etc. These matters are handled by the Department of Personnel and Training under the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions. The government consults the UPSC on promotion and disciplinary matters. Stop.